हेलो एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू। मैं एक टॉपिक पे बात करना चाह रहा था। कुछ दिन पहले एफएम पे टॉपिक था। दे वाज आस्किंग दैट हुज ओपिनियन इज़ गुड और यू कैन से यू कैन रिलाई ऑन पेरेंट्स एडवाइस और नो, कि आपको अपने पेरेंट्स की एडवाइस के ऊपर रिलाई आप करते हो या नहीं करते। क्या पेरेंट्स से एडवाइस लेनी चाहिए या नहीं लेनी चाहिए। तो काफ़ी सारे लोगों ने आंसर किया। ज़्यादातर लोगों के आंसर, इट वाज रियली शॉकिंग कि अराउंड 70% पीपल दे वर सेइंग नो, वी डोंट रिलाई ऑन पेरेंट्स एडवाइस। सम दे हैव देयर ओन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज़ एंड इवन दे डोंट आंसर इट वेल। वाई इज़ दिस पर्सपेक्टिव फॉर देम, कि वो पेरेंट्स की एडवाइस को क्यों प्रेफर नहीं करते। Some was saying that we prefer our friends, our best friends, and they are everything. They will always give a right advice. Everything will be accurate and perfect from the friends. But do remember, guys, पेरेंट्स जो होते हैं उनके पास एक्सपीरियंस होता है और दे विल बी द मोस्ट सिंसियर पर्सन फॉर यू within a friends, within even your network or whatever it is. You cannot rely on advice. It's good to take multiple advice or ideas, but there are multiple factors included in some other advice. It can be a, दिल में कुछ ना कुछ कहीं ना कहीं रहता है, दोस्तों के भी, बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स के भी, या कंपटीटर्स या जो भी हैं आपके, या आपका सर्कल या कोलीग्स, आप उनसे एडवाइस लो। इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट यू शुड नॉट टेक एडवाइस फ्रॉम अदर्स, बट देयर विल बी समवेयर लाइक सम कंपटीशन, some factor of like some factor is there like jealousy, or there is some competition that is going on between the mind of other person and you. Between friends it happens. सो फ्रेंड्स के साथ आप अगर एडवाइस लेते हैं, इट्स गुड, टेक देयर एडवाइस, कंसिडर दैट, थिंक ओवर दैट, बट फॉर पेरेंट्स एडवाइस इट विल बी प्योर फॉर यू. मे बी पेरेंट्स आर नॉट इवन मोर टेक्निकल एज पर योर फ्रेंड्स, बिकॉज their time period, they live their life or they study, it's not much advanced as of now, but their advice will be pure. They will give you good advice, and from even from Allah, their advice will come good for you. It will be for beneficial for you, whatever it is. Either maybe I am telling, it's maybe they are less technical, maybe they are less advanced, they are not more advanced, but somehow it will be honest advice, trustworthy, and it will really be beneficial for you. So मुझे बहुत अजीब लग रहा था लोगों के बिहेवियर से। वो बोलते हम तो अपने पेरेंट्स से कोई एडवाइस भी लेना नहीं चाहते, वी विल नॉट कंसिडर देम फॉर एनी सिंगल एडवाइस ऑफ आवर लाइफ. सो इट्स रियली what I can say, that it's a really lack of trust between you and your parents. They have brought up you to the life, they have raised you, they did whatever it takes them to bring you here, whatever you are today. पेरेंट्स का एडवाइस लेना चाहिए, मल्टीपल एडवाइस लो, पेरेंट्स का भी लो, फ्रेंड्स का भी लो, then make a plan and do whatever you like, whatever best suits you. But for parents, they don't have any competition for you, they don't have any jealousy factor for you, they don't have any bad thoughts or bad eyes for you. Their advice will be beneficial. You always has to consider your parents while you are taking any decisions. Sit with them, spend some time with them, discuss your matters with them. somehow they can give you some ideas as per their experiences. They have seen the world, they have experienced the world, they have experienced more wide network than you. So sit with them, share your thoughts, take their ideas and trust them. Parents are not to ignore. You should not ignore your parents while you are dealing with any matter. And it's a matter of time. It's a matter of time. Once you go to their age, you will know. You will see the world. You will see all the experiences that you have made on them. Some like in the wrong advice or some in the wrong ways. Then you will know. The same will come to you when your child, they will grow up. So consider your parents, consider your family, even friends. I'm not saying ignore them, even your friends, your circle, and then make best plan for you from all these advices. तो आज बस इतना ही बात करनी थी. चलें मिलते हैं फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज़.